Hello everyone, welcome back to Taisha's Cuisine, where you find all the best, healthy, delicious, mouth-watering Haitian food recipes on YouTube. Today I am going to share with you how to make the best Haitian Akra. For this delicious recipe, you are going to need malanga. You will most likely find this in the vegetable aisle. And I am using garlic salt and Haitian épices, adobo powder, and hot pepper of my choice. I really like the matuk. It's really flavorful and spicy at the same time. For the malaga, it looks a little bit like yuca, but it's not yuca, so you need to be sure that you have the right vegetable here. It looks exactly like this. And if you need help, there should be someone at the grocery store who can help you find the right vegetable. Also, you will need a grater. Mine looks exactly like this. It will help you shred all the vegetables. Okay, so to begin, I am going to grate the malanga. I'm using the smaller size of the grater to shred the vegetables. So this part right here is a fun activity. If you have kids at home and you want them to try to learn how to cook, you want them to, do hands-on, this is definitely something that you could let them try. It's really fun for a kid to try. So now this is exactly how the malanga looks like after I finish grating it. As you can see, it looks perfect, right? So now I'm getting ready to add all the seasonings, the Haitian épices. It's full of flavor. I don't need to add too much to this because my Haitian épices is super flavorful. And I'm also adding the adobo powder and the hot sauce and the garlic powder will also give the akra lots of flavor, guys. So I know some of you are super creative. What else would you add? I know some people would probably add onions, bell peppers. You can absolutely add anything of your preference, but I'm keeping this very simple and traditional. But just so you know, you can use your creativity, you can add anything of your choice. Okay, so I'm taking the time to mix this nice and well. All the seasonings that I added, I'm mixing them perfectly so the akra can taste super delicious. All right, so take the time to mix it nice and well so all the flavors, the seasonings can be well combined with the malaga. I am going to let it sit for about 10 minutes, and then after 10 minutes I am going to start frying the malaga. I'm using a spatula, and the spatula will give it a nice shape. So it's a long shape. This is how the akra should be looking like. Okay, it's long, not too thick, and not too thin, exactly like this. So I am going to use vegetable oil to fry the malaga, and for about, I would say, for about a good 8 to 10 minutes, it should be all set. As you can see, it looks really well seasoned, right? So now I'm frying it, and golden, not too dark, you guys, and you don't want to over fry it because it will be too hard or not pleasant to eat. Guys, if you like everything that you're seeing so far, please take a second to hit the subscribe button. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't done so. Taisha's Cuisine is posting lots of videos, lots of healthy and delicious Haitian food recipes. I'm also sharing life topics, my natural hair journey. So this channel will be extremely useful for each and every one of you. If you have any requests for me, please do not hesitate to put your comments in the comment box below, and I'll try my best to reach back to you guys. Share this channel with your friends and your family. I'd really appreciate it. So this is exactly how the akra looks like. As you can see, it looks perfect, delicious, golden, not too dark, literally golden, right? So now it's ready to eat. So there you have it, guys. This akra is super delicious. I really hope that you get the chance to give it a try, and I hope this video was useful. As usual, thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon with more videos. Do not hesitate to send in your requests, and I'll try my best to get back to you. Thanks for watching. Bye now.